Hello friend. In this video, I'm going to talk about Unicode and different Arabic code charts which are present in the Unicode that we will be discussing in other videos also. And so first of all, in this browser, I have come to the unicode.org and here is the code chart link. When you click that, it will open up this page which has the current or the latest version of the Unicode. And if you scroll down, these are the Arabic code charts, which are going to be the topic of our videos, actually, this video as well as all other videos in future. And so there are three, four, five basic Arabic, alphabet-based code charts. So these code charts from this Arabic till Arabic C are the ones where individual alphabets have their own, code points. Either they are alphabets or marks or some sort of Arabic characters. Whereas these two Arabic presentation forms, A and B, have uh, some various shapes or maybe ligatures, you can call it, in Arabic. Most of them are not needed in our Arabic fonts, but some of them are kind of mandatory that we need to include. I'll try to discuss them as well. Mostly, whenever people make the font, what they try to do is that they go through these code pages and try to take only or consider only those alphabets or code points which are kind of related to their language or the language which is focused in their font. So if they don't want to focus or base their font for any language, they don't include those alphabets or glyphs or characters or symbols. So you can do that as well. So whenever we make fonts, we want to take only those characters which are related to uh, our target languages. Whereas when you you will see my fonts, which are the Park type fonts. I try to cover all glyphs in all of these ranges, basically, all of these five uh, ranges. And why I do that because I think that there are many features which we don't pay attention to whenever we see any font made by a big company. So they don't have, they don't have any market basically to support any language which is spoken just by a couple of millions in some remote country, right? Uh, Whereas whenever I find out or see any feature by any alphabet or character, I try to implement it in my Park type fonts. That's why I try to include all alphabets everywhere. So let's take a quick look of these code pages. So first one is this. In the at the um, bottom left, basically you see this tooltip which will show you the link. So the first one is 0600 to 6FF, which is this code page. This is the first code page of Arabic, and it's completely actually now filled up with alphabets and symbols and marks and everything. And then the second one is this Arabic supplement, which is this one. It is from 750 to 77F. Then we have extended A, which is starting from 8A0 till 8FF. And then extended B, which is 870 till 89F. This one has, as you can see, these five spots still they are blank in this version. but in the next versions they will be filled up. Then this is Arabic extended C. Now, if you notice, this one has a 5 hexadecimal digits, and this is a little bit tricky one when you want to make font through Microsoft Word. I'll try to explain that in another video because of the addition of this one additional hexadecimal digit. And I have also opened up the 5B50. Okay, this is the presentation forms A. So these are the two presentation forms. Let me open up this one as well to save some time. These two presentation forms are these last, second last and last ones, which I said like some of the characters are compulsory or mandatory, which we should include in our font, and some we should not. Recently, some alphabets have been added, or actually symbols have been added into these that I tried to add in my font as well. And those are from this one, FBC3 till FBD2. So that is the first one. And as you can see, these others are either initial or middle shapes, or maybe ligatures, or these plain, nuktas or dots without any base character. So I don't use them in my fonts. I don't implement them as such. Sometime I try to put uh, Unicode values in my existing alphabets, but sometime I miss that. So, but FBC3 till FBD2, this is the first uh, range you can say, which is kind of I try to implement. Then the second one is from this FTZs FD40 till FD4F, and that line, and then these two FD90 and FD91, and then we have this FDC8 till FDCF, and then this last line completely basically FDF0 till FDFF. So those I try to implement in my fonts. They have different um, all these um, symbols which we normally use in our languages like Urdu, Arabic, Persian, Sindhi, and whatnot. Whereas in this Arabic presentation form B, this one does not have any that type of symbols. It only has these shapes of middle and final alphabets. Now, these both presentation forms were initially included to support some older coding ranges which were used in the Middle East before the Unicode maybe got popular or uh, was adopted by majority of the companies. So that's why they they are good addition. Most of the fonts from bigger companies have these presentation fonts actually. But if you are making a new font, if you're making an OpenType font, then these ranges are not needed except for these symbols which I discussed. You can use these parentheses also, by the way, but I don't do that. Normally, we don't use these parentheses in our keyboard. We have normal parentheses which are in the Latin code block, not in this one, Arabic one. So anyways, let's conclude this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.